In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a repository in GitHub. A repository gives you a place to store your project files, track changes, and collaborate with others. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click New from the left side of your dashboard. On the repository creation page, enter a name for your repository. You can also add a short description to explain what the project is about. Next, choose the repository visibility. Select Public if you want anyone to view it, or Private if you only want yourself and selected collaborators to access it. Once you've configured the settings, click Create Repository. GitHub will now create your new repository, and you can start adding files, code, and other project resources. That's how to create a repository in GitHub. Thanks for watching.